के बनवारी नथवारी की। दुहुन सिर कनक मुकुट झलके, दुहुन श्रुति कुंडल भल हलके, दुहुन नृग प्रेम सुधा छलके, चसीले बैन रसीले नैन गसीले सैन, दुहुन मैनन मनहारी की के बनवारी नथवारी की। आरती प्रीतम प्यारी की के बनवारी नथवारी की। दुहुन दृग चितवनी परवारी, दुहुन लट लटकनी छवि न्यारी, दुहुन भव मटकनी अति प्यारी, रसन मुख पान हसन मुस्कान, दसन दमकान दुहुन बेसर छवि न्यारी की के बनवारी नथवारी की। आरती प्रीतम प्यारी की के बनवारी नथवारी की। एक उर पीतांबर फहरे, एक उर नीलांबर लहरे, दुहुन उर लर मोतिन छहरे, कांकनन खनक किंकिनी झनक, नूपुरन भनक दुहुन रुन धुन धुनि प्यारी के बनवारी नथवारी की। आरती प्रीतम प्यारी की के बनवारी नथवारी की। एक सिर मोर मुकुट राजे, एक सिर चूनर छवि छाजे, दुहुन सिर तिरछे भल ब्राजे, संग ब्रज बाल लाडली लाल, बाहगल लाल कृपालु दुहुन दृगचारी की के बनवारी नथवारी की। आरती प्रीतम प्यारी की बनवारी नथवारी की। आरती प्रीतम प्यारी की बनवारी नथवारी। लाडली लाल की जय। श्री राम श्री राम श्री रामचंद्र कृपालु, भज मन हरण भव भय दारु, नव कंज लोचन कंज मुख कर, कंज पद कंजारुणम। श्री राम श्री राम कंदर्प गणित अमित छवि नव नील नीरद सुंदरम, पट पीत मानहु तड़ित रुचि शुचि, नौमि जनक सुतावर, पट पीत मानहु तड़ित रुचि शुचि, नौमि जनक सुतावरम। श्री राम भजु दीन बंधु दिनेश, दानव दैत्य वंश निक्रंदनम, रघुनंद आनंद कंद कौशल चंद दशरथ नंदनम, रघुनंद आनंद कंद कौशल चंद दशरथ नंदनम। श्री राम सिर मुकुट कुंड तिलक चारु उदार अंग विभूषणम् आजानुभुज शर चापधर संग्रामजित खर दूषणम् आजानुभुज शर चापधर संग्रामजित खर दूषणम् श्री राम इति वदति तुलसीदास शंकर शेष मुनि मनरंजनम् मम हृदय कंज निवास कुरु कामादि खलदल गंजनम् मम हृदय कंज निवास कुरु कामादि खलदल गंजनम् श्री राम श्रीरामचंद्र कृपालु भज मन हरण भव भय दारुण नव कंज लोचन कंज मुख कर कंज पद कंजारुणम् श्री राम बोले राजा रामचंद्र की जय। जयति जगद गुरु गुरुवर की गाँव मिले आरती रसिक वर की गाँव मिले आरती रसिक वर की गुरुपद नख मणि चंद्रिका प्रकाश जाके उर बसे ताके मोहत मनाश जाके मातनाथ तव हाथ करवास ताते होय माया मोह सबहि निराश पावे गति मति रति राधावर की गाँव मिले आरती रसिक वर की गाँव मिले आरती रसिक वर की अरे मन मूड छाड़ नारी नर हाथ गुरु बिनु ब्रह्म शाम हुन देंगे साथ कोमल कृपाल बड़े कृपा सिंधुनाथ पाके इन्हें आज तू अनाथ हो सनाथ इन्हीं के अधीन कृपा गिरिधर की गाँव मिले आरती रसिक वर की गाँव मिले आरती रसिक वर की भक्ति योग रस अवतार अभिराम कर निगमागम समन्वय ललाम श्यामा श्याम नाम रूप लीला गुण धाम बाट रहे प्रेम निष्काम बिनु दाम हो रही सफल काया नारी नर की गाँव मिले आरती रसिक वर की गाँव मिले आरती रसिक वर की दलीलाल लीला का सलोना सुविलास छाया दिव्य दृष्टि बीच प्रेम का प्रकाश वैसा ही विनोद वही मंजू मृदुहास कर बस भर बस उच्च अट्टहास जय हो झूमे चल चाल वही नटवर की गाँव मिले आरती रसिक वर की गाँव मिले आरती रसिक वर की जयति सतगुरु सरकार की जय। लाडली लाल की जय। सिया राम सरकार की जय। पवन सुत हनुमान की जय। जगत गुरुत्तम श्री कृपालु जी महाराज की जय। भक्ति मंदिर की जय। प्रेम मंदिर की जय। युगल कुंज की जय। जय जय श्री राधे। जय जय श्री राधे। जय जय श्री राधे।
Page 190. बोले राधा रानी की जय। कृपा करु कृपा करु कृपा करु राधे। कहाँ घटी जाए तोरा कृपा करु राधे। कृपा करु
कृपा करो कृपा करो राधे। कहाँ गति जाए तोरा
कृपा करु राधे। कृपा करु कृपा करु कृपा करु राधे। कहाँ घट जाए तोरा कृपा करु राधे। कृपा करु
कृपा करो कृपा करो राधे। कहाँ गति जाए तोरा
कृपा करु राधे। कृपा करु कृपा करु कृपा करु राधे। कहाँ घटी जाए तोरा कृपा करु राधे। कृपा
करो कृपा करो कृपा करो राधे। कहाँ गति जाए तोरा कृपा करो राधे।
तेरा तो कृपा राधे।
तेरा तो है प्राण मान, प्राण कृपा राधे।
तू तो एक कृपा को है, तू तो एक कृपा को ही दूजा रूप राधे।
तू तो एक कृपा कोई दूजा रूप राधे।
कृपा करू, कृपा करू, कृपा करू राधे। कहाँ घटी जाए तोरा, कृपा करू राधे।
कृपा करो, कृपा करो, कृपा करो राधे। कहाँ गति जाए तोरा, कृपा करो राधे।
तेरा तो है एक काम, कृपा कृपा राधे।
तेरा तो है एक काम, कृपा कृपा राधे।
कृपा बिनु तू तो रही नहीं सक राधे।
कृपा बिनु तू तो रही नहीं सक राधे।
कृपा करू, कृपा करू, कृपा करू राधे। कहाँ घटी जाए तोरा, कृपा करू राधे।
कृपा करो, कृपा करो, कृपा करो राधे। कहाँ गति जाए तोरा, कृपा करो राधे।
जग जाने जल मीन जीवन राधे।
जग जाने जल में जीवन राधे।
ऐसी ही कृपा तेरा जीवन राधे।
ऐसी ही कृपा तेरा जीवन राधे।
यो तो सूर नर सब कृपा करे राधे।
यो तो सुर नर सब कृपा कर राधे।
किंतु उनकी कृपा सकारण राधे।
किंतु उनकी कृपा सकरण राधे।
कृपा करू, कृपा करू, कृपा करू राधे। कहाँ घटी जाए तोरा, कृपा करू राधे।
कृपा करो, कृपा
अकारण कृपामयी राधे
तू अकारण कृपामयी राधे
दीन जन पर ही तू कृपा करे राधे
दीन जन पर ही तू कृपा करो राधे
तेरी कृपा ते ही विधि रचे जग राधे
तेरी कृपा ते ही विधि रचे जग राधे
तेरी कृपा ते ही हरि पाले जग राधे
तेरी कृपा ते ही हरि पाले जग राधे
कृपा करू कृपा करू कृपा करू राधे कहाँ घटी जाए तोरा कृपा करू राधे
कृपा करो कृपा करो कृपा करो राधे कहाँ गति जाए तोरा कृपा करो राधे
तेरी कृपा ते ही शिव नासे जग राधे
तेरी कृपा ते ही शिवा नासे जग राधे
तेरी कृपा बिनु पत्ता हिले नहीं राधे
तेरी कृपा बिनु पत्ता हिले नहीं राधे
तेरी कृपा बिनु ब्रह्म न्यायी रहे राधे
तेरी कृपा बिनु ब्रह्म नहीं राधे
तेरी कृपा ते कृपालु बने ब्रह्म राधे
तेरी कृपा ते कृपालु बने ब्रह्म राधे
ओ कृपा करू कृपा करू कृपा करू राधे कहाँ घटी जाए तोरा कृपा कर राधे
कृपा करो कृपा करो कृपा करो राधे कहाँ गति जाए तोरा कृपा करो राधे
बोले रासेश्वरी राधा रानी की जय। प्रथमं सद्गुरुं वन्दे श्रीकृष्णं तदनन्तरं गुरुः पापात्मनां त्राता श्रीकृष्णस्त्वमलात्मना बर्हापीडं नटवरवपु कर्णयो कर्णिकारं बिभ्रद्वासः कनककपिशं वैजयन्तीं च माला रन्ध्रान् वेणु रधरसुधया पूरयन् गोपवृन्दै बृन्दारण्यं स्वपदरमणं प्राविशद्गीतकीर्ति। बोले वृंदावन बिहारी लाल की जय।
Please make sure your cell phones are turned off or on vibrate mode. Thank you, Radhe Radhe.
Continuing the series of lectures on Bhakti Shatak, that very wonderful, great book written by the great saint Jagat Guru Tam Sri Kripaluji Maharaj. So we have finished up to 79. We'll now go into verse 80. Jai Radhe, Jai Radhe, Radhe, Krishna, Jaya Krishna, Jaya Krishna, Krishna, Jaya Krishna, Jaya Krishna, Radhe Radhe bol, Radhe Radhe bol, nit karu Radhe ko dhyan, Radhe Radhe, Radhe Radhe bol, nit karu Radhe ko dhyan, Radhe Radhe। आई है निज गोलोक तजी भाजत श्याम सुजान, राधे राधे। आई है निज गोलोक तजी
भाजत श्याम सुजान, राधे राधे।
जय राधे कृष्ण राधे, जय राधे कृष्ण राधे,
जय राधे कृष्ण राधे, जय राधे कृष्ण राधे।
राधे कृष्ण राधे, जय राधे कृष्ण राधे,
जय 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 राधे कृष्ण राधे, जय राधे कृष्ण राधे,
ओ जय राधे कृष्ण राधे, जय राधे कृष्ण राधे,
जय राधे कृष्ण राधे, जय राधे कृष्ण राधे,
जय राधे कृष्ण राधे, जय राधे कृष्ण राधे,
जय राधे कृष्ण राधे, जय राधे कृष्ण राधे।
बोल लाडली लाल की जय। अब सावधान होके ध्यान पूर्वक सुन लीजिए। Now let's try to be very attentive and listen very carefully. राधे राधे बोल नित्य और करु राधे को ध्यान, तो आई है निज गोलोक तजी भाजत श्याम सुजान. The literal meaning, while meditating on Radha Rani and chanting the name Radhe Radhe, not just chanting, ध्यान पूर्वक. राधे राधे बोलने से कुछ नहीं होगा. Just chanting Radhe Radhe like a parrot is not going to give any benefit. This is why Jagat Gurutam Sri Kripaluji Maharaj has made it very clear, Karu Radhe ko dhyan. Meditating on Radha Rani, while chanting Radhe Radhe and meditating on Radha Rani, ai hai Nij Golok Taji. Shri Krishna is going to leave his divine abode, Golok, and come running to you if you chant Radhe Radhe like this. This is literal meaning. Translation, Abhyakhyan, explanation. All the scriptures, all the Vedas says Radha and Krishna are one. Do nahi hote. Most people don't know who Radha Rani is. People think, okay, Shri Krishna is God, supreme power, something that he's a descension of Mahavishnu. No, he's Supreme Brahm. But who is this Radha? And hardly any mention of Radha Rani in Bhagavad Mahapuran. So who is this Radha? So the Vedas tell us, Yayam Radha Yashra Krishna Sabit Dehas Chaikaha Kiranata Dvidha Bhoot. Atharva Vedi Radhika Tapani Upanishad. Some people think that Radha Rani is the consort of Sri Krishna, something that she's some gopi, girlfriend. So this Ved mantra, Vedas are saying that there is no question of Radha and Krishna being two. They don't even have two bodies. Do sharir nahi hai inka. There's only one Supreme Brahm, supreme power, and that Supreme Brahm takes two forms. Do Roop takes two forms for the sake of Krida. Leela, divine pastime. Radha Rani herself says in the Brahma Vaivat Puran, Mamayva Paurusham Rupam Gopika Janamohanam. Brahma Vaivat Puran. Radha Rani says, my male form is called Shri Krishna, who is the beloved of the gopis. Many places. Radhika Krishna Rupam cha Krishno Radha Swarupakah. Sanak Sangita. Again, the scriptures are saying that Radha Rani is the form of Shri Krishna and Shri Krishna is the form of Radha Rani. Radha Rani is not a consort. She is Shri Krishna himself. But there was something special about the form of Shri Krishna, which is called Radha. Kuch visheshta hai. Ved is saying, to describe who is Radha Rani, Rigved, Krishnena aradhyate iti Radha. Who is Radha? Rigvediya Radhika Upanishad. Rigved is saying. That's Supreme Brahm, Shri Krishna. Ved says, Kaha Paramo Deva. Who is that? The second mantra, Gopal Tapani Upanishad. Who is that Supreme Brahm, Supreme Power, above whom there is none? And the Vedas itself gives the answer. Krishno Havai Paramam Daivatam. Gopal Tapani Upanishad, third mantra. Shri Krishna is Supreme Power, Supreme Brahm. There's none above him. So that's Supreme Brahm, Supreme Power, Shri Krishna, whom Brahma, Vishnu, Shankar, everyone worships. He also worships someone. Who does Shri Krishna worship? Radha. But Shri Krishna himself says, Radhaiva radhyate maya. Brahmand Puran. I worship only Radha Rani. There's something special. Look, it'll take a little bit to understand, so bear with me. Shri Krishna has infinite powers, Ananta Shaktiya. इनका एक नाम है अनंत वेद में. One of his name in Vedas is Anant, means infinite. Anantaschatma Vishwarupo Hyakarta Satyam Jnanam Anantam Brahma Anantanam Rupaya. Many Ved mantras. Everything he has is infinite. So he has infinite powers, Shaktiya. Amongst these infinite powers of Shri Krishna, there are three main ones. Krishner Ananta Shakti Tate Tin Pradhan. Chit Shakti, Maya Shakti, Jeev Shakti Nam. Antaranga, Bahiranga, Tatastha, Kahijare, Antaranga, Sharupa Shakti, Shabara Upare. Chaitanya Chaitamrit. The three powers, main powers of Shri Krishna, Chit Shakti, Jeev Shakti, and Maya Shakti. The Chit Shakti is also called Swarupa Shakti, Antaranga Shakti, or personal potency. Jeev Shakti is also called Tatastha Shakti, marginal power. As even though it's a fraction of Shri Krishna, it's also under the control of Maya. Maya ke adheen hai. And Maya is called Bahiranga Shakti, external power of Shri Krishna. Vishnu Shakti para prokta kshetagya kya tatha para avidya karma sangyana titiya shakti ruchyate. Vishnu Puran. Same thing has been said. Shri Krishna has three main powers. Chit Shakti, Jeev Shakti, Maya Shakti. Amongst these three also, the Chit Shakti or Swarup Shakti is the most personal, important power of Shri Krishna. Antaranga Shakti, his personal potency. This Swarup Shakti again is divided into three categories. Hladini Sandhini Samvit Tvayeka Sarva Sanshaye Hata pakarim shatvaino guna varjite. Vishnu Puran. Hladni Shakti, Sandhini Shakti, Sambit Shakti. Bhagwan is known by 3 names in the Vedas. 3 naam hai. Sat, Chit, Anand. Sat Bhagwan, Chit Bhagwan, Anand Bhagwan. So Shri Krishna is also called Sachidanand. Chit represents supreme existence. Sat, represents supreme existence. Chit represents supreme knowledge. Anand represents supreme bliss. So the Swarup Shakti of Bhagwan, the governing power of the Swarup Shakti of Bhagwan, of the Sat Shakti, Adhishtatri Shakti is called Sandhini Shakti. The Swarup Shakti of governing power, Adhishtatri Shakti of the Swarup Shakti of Bhagwan, known as Chit Shakti, is Sambit Shakti. And the governing power of the Swarup Shakti, known as Ananda Shakti, is called Hladini Shakti. Hladni, Sandhini, Sambit. You have heard before these 3 powers of Sri Krishna, Sat, Chit, Anand. Sat merges into Chit, so Chit contains existence as well as knowledge, and Chit merges into Anand, so Anand contains all 3 of existence, knowledge as well as bliss. This is why Bhagwan is called Ananda Brahm in Vedas. Anando Brahmeti Vijanat. So the Ananda Shakti of Bhagwan is the most important, the highest. Therefore, the governing power of that Ananda Shakti, the Hladini Shakti, is his most important power in the Swarup Shakti. Sabse Shresht, most important. Again, Hladini Shar Anshutar Premanam. The essence, Nichor, the highest point of this Hladini Shakti is called Prem. Bhakti, divine love. And the highest point of this Bhakti is called Mahabhav or Radharani. Now, Shri Krishna governs everything, everyone, everything. Brahma, Vishnu, Shankar, everyone. Param Swatantra Nasir Balako. Naradji saying. But there is something that controls even Shri Krishna. That thing is called Prem. Love, Bhakti. Bhagwan Krishna says to Durvasa Muni, because he tried to kill Ambarish, a great devotee of Bhagwan Krishna, so Bhagwan Krishna sent his Sudarshan Chakra after Durvasa. Durvasa went everywhere, begging Brahma, Vishnu, Shankar, everybody, nobody will give him shelter. Finally, he fell at the feet of Sri Krishna. Bhagwan Krishna says to Durvasa Muni, Aham bhakta paradhino hyaswatantra ivadvija sadhu bhirgrasta hridayo bhaktair bhakta jana priya. 9th canto, 4th chapter, 63rd verse. Durvasa, I am supremely independent, free. No one and nothing controls me. But, subsection, that power which is called bhakti, love, it binds me up, ties me up, and makes me dance as a monkey dances to the tune of the trainer. I am no longer free. Paradhino. I am controlled by my devotees. Grhasta hridayo. My devotees have eaten my heart. Like rasgulla. वो खाने वाली चीज है. No, Bhagavan means that my devotee, they control me by that love. Their love. This is the thing that controls Bhagavan. And Radharani is the highest point of that divine love. So Shri Krishna is controlled by Radharani. He's subservient to her. Even though Radha and Krishna are one. But because Radharani is the very essence of bhakti, Hladini Shakti, Shri Krishna is controlled by Radharani. Furthermore, the Vedas say, Atma Turadhika Tasya. Ved. The Vedas say Radharani is the Atma, the soul of Shri Krishna. Atma. Look, the dearest thing to us is our own self, the soul, Atma. We love ourselves beyond everyone and everything. Mother, father, wife, husband, children, no one we love as much as we love ourselves. A wife and a husband, they claim to love each other so much. I will die for you. And arms are around each other and they are walking. Take a little snake, rubber snake, not a real one. It looks real, but rubber. And throw it between them. Oh, husband run this way, wife run that way. Hurry, hurry, hurry. You were just saying we'll die, I'll die for you, my darling. Because we love ourselves the most. The soul is. So when Radharani is the soul of Shri Krishna. Atma. Look, when Bhagavan Shri Krishna would sleep in Dwarika, from every pore of his body, जब सोते थे, हर रोए रोए से आवाज आते थे. From every pore of his body, the sound Radhe, Radhe, Radhe will come. He will sometimes Radhe while sleeping. So all these queens of Shri Krishna, they got very jealous. Who is this Radha? Are Mahalakshmi, Rukmini. Amongst the 16,108, Rukmini, Satyabhama, etc., they are so proud of their beauty. Nobody is as beautiful as them. Who is this Radha? Leaving aside us, he's thinking about Radha while sleeping. So this doubt came in their mind. So Shri Krishna thought, okay, I have to fix you all. So one day Shri Krishna got up from sleep and he started screaming with pain. Oh, I'm going to die. Oh, my head is busting. Parakashta. Extreme limit of acting. As though he is rolling with pain, as though he's really going to die. All the queens, they got so frantic. Now for every queen, Shri Krishna had built a separate palace. They were never together at the same time. And one Shri Krishna for every queen. But now all the queens are together and they are crying. Rote. They are very frantic. Beating high, what to do? They've tried everything and nothing. So Bhagwan decided to call Naradji. Bhagwan is sitting in the heart of everyone. He's sitting in Naradji's heart too. Hey Narad, yaha. When Naradji came, he saw all the queens at one place. At the same time, something is very serious and they're all crying. So Naradji went and he bowed. Pai lage, pranam. These are the topmost of most saints. Who else will get married to Shri Krishna? Mataji, kya hua? What happened? Oh mother. Oh Naraji, what to tell you? How our beloved, our husband Shri Krishna, he is dying from pain. Naraji in his mind is laughing. Shri Krishna is dying. Are, he is Param Brahm. He's my Ishtadev. But he's not saying in his heart. Naraji is wondering what's happening here. At the same time, Shri Krishna, hey Narad, idhara, come here. Naraji went, he did pranam. Pailage, he did pranam to his Ishtadev. And he says, Maharaj, what happened? Oh, Narad, I have so much pain. Narad, my head is split and I think I'm going to die. Naradji said, Acha, acha. Naradji thought, you know I am Narad, I know you are Bhagwan. Why are you pretending like this to me? Hare Narad, what are you saying, Narad? Here my head is splitting. I feel like I'm dying and you are asking me if I'm pretending. Okay, Naradji said, Acha. Theek hai, you have a pain. What is the medicine for this sickness you have created? He apna banaya rog. Iska dawa bataiye. So Shri Krishna said, okay, Naradji, if some bhakt, one who loves me, my devotee, were to give me the dust of his feet, and I drink it, put it on my head, I'll be okay again. Naradji thought first, I am also bhakt. Naradji is a great devotee. Naradji thought, nahi, bhaiya, is jhagara mein nahi jaunga. I'm not getting involved in this jhagara. This thing is happening here. I already became a monkey once. Let me be very careful here. Anyhow, these queens of Shri Krishna, 16,108, they are all topmost of saints. They are married to the Supreme Lord. Let me go to them. So Naradji went and he said, okay, look, I found a solution. Oh, Naradji, what is the medicine? If one of you would give the dust of your feet and the Lord will put it on his forehead, on his head, he'll be okay. Narad to ekdam pagal ho gaya. Full mad. Narad, have you gone completely mad? A wife puts the dust of her feet on the head of her husband. First to begin, she is going to go hell. Narak jayenge. And secondly, she is going to get a bad name. Naradji said, oh, yeah, that's true. वो सही है. And while this discussion is going on, Narad, Bhagwan said, hey Narad, come here, idhar aao. वो नहीं मिलेगा यहाँ. You're not going to get it here. Come, idhar aao. So Naradji said, okay, where am I going to find it? Go to Braj. Go to the gopis. And Naradji went. Naradji disguised himself as a very old man. Boodhe, with a stick. Very old man and his. The gopis, hey Naradji, pailage. Naradji thought they recognized me. Ye Jadu Nagari. This place has a magic. This is a village of magic. Acha, Naradji took his original form. Acha, Naradji, where are you coming from? Oh, I just came from Dwarika. Huh? You saw Kanhaiya? Yeah, I'm coming from him. Oh, how is he, Naradji? Oh, he's in a very bad state. Bad state? Oh, so much pain. He's writhing in pain and he's saying he's going to die. All the gopis panicked. Narad, so what can we do, Narad? Naradji said, okay, there's a cure. If one of you will give the dust of your feet and he puts on his head, he'll be okay. All the gopis spread their feet. Phaladya, Charan. Thousands of gopis. Naradji said, wait a minute. Do you know what you are doing? आप जानते हैं क्या कर रहे? Hey Narad ji, now is not a time for lecture. This time our beloved is very in a bad state. Take this thing, give it to him, and when he's finished, when he's better, you come back. We will sit down and listen to your lecture. All of us. Take this and give it to him first. And what is going to happen, Narad? We'll go to hell. The worst thing that happen, we'll go to hell. Naradji said, yes. Are Narad, we have been to hell uncountable times. Every soul the soul is beginningless, anadi. Every soul has been to hell, to heaven, everywhere, in every form. 84 lakh yoni mein, in the 8.4 million forms, uncountable times. So Naradji, if we have to go back to hell once more, so our beloved will be fine, well again, we are ready, Naradji. Naradji akke bakke. Naradji is staring with his mouth open at the gopis. Naradji dhikar apne ko. Naradji says, I am not a devotee. I'm thinking I am a devotee. Cursed to me, I am thinking I am a devotee. These are devotees. That is, gopis don't care they have to go to hell, but their beloved should be okay. Yay, bhakt. Naradji he ate a lot first, covered himself, and he pulled some in a bag and took it. He's so blessed, he thought. Look at the love of these gopis. He took it to Shri Krishna. Shri Krishna has touched the bag. He was okay. He was just acting anyhow. So the queen saw Shri Krishna is okay. He's walking, playing Basuri. He's okay again. So they said, Naradji, your dawa kahan mila? Where did you get this medicine? The dust. Which bhakt give it? Kis bhakt ne diya? Naradji said, the gopis. Oh. Then the queens realized how great the gopis are. In the topmost among them, Radharani. This is why Shri Krishna, but still didn't understand how important Radharani. Yes, they're very high. They were given, they didn't care that they would get bad name or go to hell. So once there was a very auspicious day, sun eclipse, Suja Grahan, and everyone went to Kurukshetra to have, there was a pond there, to have a bath, spiritual bath. So there was a huge camp, and Shri Krishna came also with all the 16,108 wives, his whole family, everybody came. And the gopis also came from Vrindavan. So these queens, they heard that Radharani had come. So they were so excited to meet Radha. Finally, they were always hearing about Radharani, Radharani, Radharani. They finally thought, oh, we have an opportunity to meet Radharani. So they sent their dasis very quickly, go and bring Radharani to our camp. So they went and they begged Radharani to come. Radharani said, okay. Wo to bhori bhari hai. Radharani is so innocent. She didn't say, okay, I have to get special invitation or anything. Radharani said, chalo, let's go. Radharani came and they all saw, oh, she's so beautiful. And her voice is so sweet. You just listen and you go in lost in consciousness of her beauty and her voice. She is very special, they thought. So they decided to give her some milk to drink. They invited her to give her something. So they gave her some milk to drink. Radharani drank the milk and they all took her blessing and she left. Now that night they all came to the camp of Shri Krishna. to do charan seva. चरण को दबाते हैं, पहले दबाएंगे चरण, वो फिर श्री कृष्ण सोएंगे. They're going to press his lotus feet and he will go to sleep. So when they came to do charan seva, they're going to press the feet of Shri Krishna, his lotus feet. They saw something. Underneath the feet, the sole of the feet of Shri Krishna was filled with very big water bubbles, boils. Bade, pore. On it, both charan. They got, hey Kanhaiya, hey Krishna, how did this happen? Did you go running in the sun or something? Shri Krishna said, don't worry about it, let's do charan seva. No, please tell us how it happened. Okay, today you all call Radharani. You invited her to your tent and she came there and you saw her, you welcomed her. Yeah, we did, and she was so beautiful and so sweet. And you gave her milk to drink. Yeah, we did. But you did not check that the milk was extremely hot. And so Radharani drank that hot milk. It was too hot. So what? So what does it have to do with the boils under your feet? Because my feet resides in the heart of Radharani. My lotus feet reside. So when she drank that hot milk, it scorched the soles of my feet. And the gopis realize, the wives realize, oh, the position of Radharani. So Radharani, Atma tu Radhika tasya. The Vedas are saying that Radharani is the very soul. So Radharani is so dear to Shri Krishna. The name Radhe is so dear. You see, I've told you before and you've heard many times, God resides in the name. Nam Nam Kadi Bahudha Nija Sarva Shaktis Tartar Pita Niyamita Smarane Nakalaha Etadishi Tava Kripa Bhagavan Mamapi Durdaiva Mid Shamiha Janinanuraga. Gaurang Mahaprabhu says in the Shikshastak, Hey Shri Krishna, you have so many names. And you are so merciful, you have taken all your powers and put in the name. God sits in the name. So Radharani is sitting in that name, Radhe. You know, people don't want to chant Radhe, Radhe in the world. Sometimes I say to people, Radhe, Radhe, they look at me, Namaste, Sitara. They don't want to say Radhe. What is this Radhe, Radhe? We have never heard this thing, Radhe, Radhe. Brahma, Vishnu, Shankar, Durga, Lakshmi, Saraswati, everyone is chanting Radhe, Radhe. Even Shri Krishna chants Radhe, Radhe. Because Radharani resides in the name. And since Radharani is so dear to Shri Krishna and she resides in the name, this is why Shri Krishna is always chanting Radhe, Radhe also. Even while he's asleep, from every pore of his body, Radhe, 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 the sound comes. So the one, when Radharani is so dear to Shri Krishna, when someone chants Radhe, Radhe with love, meditating on Radharani, Shri Krishna forgets everything. And he comes running to that devotee. So important to chant. People think, oh, it is crazy people, Radhe, Radhe people. Okay, it's fine. I love to be Radhe, Radhe people. Because Radhe, that is a very dear name to Shri Krishna. Just chant Radhe, Radhe. That's all you have to do. So this is so important. All right, so we go to the next one. जय राधे जय राधे
राधे
जय राधे
जय राधे कृष्ण जय कृष्ण जय कृष्ण कृष्ण
जय कृष्ण जय कृष्ण
तुम मेरे थे रहोगे यह श्रुति वचन तिहार राधे राधे तुम मेरे थे रहोगे
यह श्रुति वचन
तिहार राधे
राधे
अधम उदाहरण नाथ पुनि काहे मोहि विसार राधे राधे अधम उदाहरण नाथ पुनि काहे मोहि
विसार राधे राधे
जय राधे कृष्ण राधे जय राधे कृष्ण 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 राधे
बोले राधा कृष्ण भगवान की जय। तुम मेरे थे रहोगे यह श्रुति बचन तिहार। Literal meaning, hey Shri Krishna, in your Vedas, Shruti, in the Vedas, you have said that I am yours, I have always been yours, I am yours, and I will always be yours. You have said this in the Vedas. And Adham Udharan Nath Puni. And then you are called Adham Udharan, the uplifter of the sinful fallen souls. Adham Udharan. So, Kahe Mohi Bisar, how come you have forgotten me? कैसे भूल गए हमको? Let's go now to the explanation. Bhakyan. The Vedas tell us, first to begin, we are Jivatma. Jeev, Atma, the soul. We're not the body. Body belongs to us. We've understood that by now, hopefully. And the soul has every relation with Shri Krishna. The Vedas say, Divyo Deva Eko Narayano Mata Pita Bhrata Nivasaha Sharanam Suhit Gati. Subalo Upanishad, chapter 6, verse 4. Every relation of the soul, Mata, Pita, Bhrata, Nivasa, Sharanam Suhit, every relation, mother, father, beloved, child, friend, every relation of the soul is only with Shri Krishna. Amitasya vai putraha. Every living being is a child of Shri Krishna. The Vedas. Many places. Gita also. Gatir bharta prabhu sakshi nivasa sharanam suhit. Chapter 9 verse 18. Gita. Every relation of the soul is only with, He's our soul, everything. Gita is also saying. Sri Krishna himself is saying to Arjun, I am everything. The soul refuge, everything of the soul. Sri Krishna is such a friend. You know, in the world, we make relations, and they are not lasting. The relationships in this world are compared to one traveling. The safar karte hai. You go in a bus, long journey, or a train, and you meet someone in that, you're going from Atlanta, you're going all the way to Fort Lauderdale, Florida. So it's a pretty long journey. And you're sitting on the train, and you meet someone in the train, and you start talking with them, and how are you, and where are you from, and who is your family, and you get really close to that person, talking for a long time. You enjoy that person's company, and you get very close. And when the train reaches Orlando, the person says, okay, I have to come off now, this is my stop. Huh? Hare? How can you come out? I am going all the way to Fort Lauderdale. How can you come off here now? Hare bhaiya, this is my stop. I have to, if you want, you can join me. But this is my stop. In the same way, the relations of this world. Mother, father, wife, husband, child, it's all non-lasting. At any moment, one can go. Temporary. And not the older one goes first. Sometimes grandparent is living and grandchild is going. Hey, how can you go? I'm your senior. No senior, nothing like this. Time aa gaya. This morning we sang a very beautiful verse from Radha Govind Geet in our meditation. Radhe Radhe Bol Man Govind Radhe Jane Kab Kaal Tera Ticket Kata De. Hey, keep chanting Radhe Radhe in the mind. Who knows when Yamraj will come? Death will come and say, hey, chalo. Then, oh, not give me one more minute. I just have to sign the will. No, not even 1 second. Chalo. Nobody knows. Durlabho manusho deho dehinam kshana bhangura tatrapi durlabham manye vaikuntha priya darshanam. 11 Canto, 2nd chapter, 29 verse. Videhanimi is saying to the 9 Yogishwars. First to begin, after worshipping them, giving them a wonderful seat, he questions. And the first thing he says, oh, first thing, this human body, Durlabho manusho deho. It's extremely rare and difficult, the most difficult thing to attain, human birth. Secondly, it is kshana bhangur. At which moment we can lose it, nobody knows. And thirdly, by kuntapriya darshanam, to have the association of genuine saints like you, he's saying to them. I'm so blessed. So nobody, all these relations we make in the world, which are non-lasting, they are any moment, they can finish. And Sri Krishna He never leaves us. Wherever the soul goes, it could be in the body of a dog, in the body of a cat, in the body of a worm. It goes to hell, it goes to heaven. It rotates in our 8.4 million forms. Akar chari lakh chaurasi yoni brahmat yah jiv avinasi. Bhagwan Shri Ram himself is saying to the residents of Ayodhya, the soul is indestructible, beginningless, eternal. It keeps rotating in the 8.4 million forms of life. Brahman. It keeps rotating. Wherever it goes, wherever the soul goes, Shri Krishna has to go. Dva suparuna sayuja sakhaya samanam briksham parikasva jate tayoranya pippalam swadata nashnan nanyo abhichakashiti. Shweta Shutaropanishad, chapter 4, verse 6. In the heart of all living being, there are two things that stays in there. Do pakshi baithe hai. Two birds. One is Jivatma, the individual soul. One is Paramatma, Sakhaya, eternal. From beginningless time, Shri Krishna has been with us, and until end of time, endless, uncountable, He will always stay. We have turned our backs, that's all. He's our true everything, but we have turned our backs. We are making the world our own. And we are saying to Him, why have you forgotten me? We have forgotten Him. Bhul gaya. How we say the prayers? Tvameva mata cha pita tvameva tvameva bandhuscha sakha tvameva tvameva vidya dravinang tvameva tvameva sarvam mama deva deva. We say, Hey Shri Krishna, Tvam, you, Ev, alone. You alone are my mother, you alone are my father, you alone are my friend, you alone are my companion, you alone are my knowledge, you alone are my wealth, you alone are my everything. Tvameva sarvam mama deva deva. But we say that with our mouth and in our heart. We don't say Ev. We don't say to he. We say to be. Instead of he, we put be. Shri Krishna is my mother, father, but He's also. I have a mummy in the world, I have a daddy in the world, I have a beloved in the world, I have wealth, I have my bank balance, my muruka, my dog, my parrot, all is mine. So, Shri Krishna is my mummy, my daddy, my all that, but also. This is the problem from beginningless time. He ke jagah mein bhi lagaya. You see, in Hindi, you have he, the long E, right? And you have bhi, both have long E. So we change one word, ha, instead of ha, we put bha. That's all we did, we changed one word. From beginningless time. Because we've always identified with the body. Bhul gaya main Atma hu. We have forgotten we are the soul, the Atma. And identifying with the physical body, we make all the relations with the body. If I'm the body, then it's fine. This is my mummy, this is my daddy, this of the body. If I'm body. Look. We may say, okay, this body is created by this mom and dad, this woman and this man. The egg and the sperm came and it formed this body, this fetus. How did that body form inside there? By itself? Who formed that body inside the womb? Shri Krishna. How was that body, that fetus nourished? If everything the mother ate was given to the child wholesome, she's drinking sharab, drinking alcohol, she's eaten masala, tikka, garam, garam. Everything was to be given to that very tiny, soft fetus. What will happen to it? So Bhagwan took all of that and converted in a way that the fetus can nourish the fetus. Bhagwan is doing that inside the womb. Didn't tell us anything. Around the 6th, 7th month, he put the soul, Jeev, inside there. Mummy, daddy, Jeev nahi banate. The soul is not created by any mummy, daddy. Body, okay. And that also, I'm telling you, they're not doing it. It's Sri Krishna. Jeev, Bhagwan puts in there. Nourishes the soul and that body, that fetus. Then takes it out of there. 9 months, 10 months. अब पहले दूध नहीं था माँ के बक्षस्थल में. Before there is no milk in the breast of the mother. All the time, suddenly the child is born, milk appears. कहाँ से आया? Where did milk came from? Shri Krishna. He didn't tell you anything. Suddenly milk came. All Shri Krishna is doing. Because we are his everything, he has to. He's protecting us. We don't even know how much he's protecting us, taking care of us. Milk comes. How long are you going to drink milk? कितने देर तक दूध पिएंगे? Teeth comes, now the child wants to eat. So Bhagwan says, okay, you're my child, so I'll give you all this baigan and tomato and cauliflower and all this gobi and all. He tamam cheez banaya. He made so much things so we can eat. Did somebody? Bhagwan made all of this. Why wouldn't I plant the seed and it? No, bhaiya. Bhagwan pehle banaya. From before, Bhagwan made all of this. The wind, he is given. The sun, the rain, everything Bhagwan is given. All of this he is doing for us. Do we stand now and say, thank you, Bhagwan? So much you are doing for me. Protecting, nourishing, everything he's doing. Yet we don't think that he alone is mine. That's all we have to do. And that Adhama Udharan will come true. The uplifter of the sinful. He will lift us, take on us. He's waiting with open arms. Bhujai phelaye hai. He's waiting with open arms. Radha Rani is waiting with open arms for us. All we have to do is to realize that you alone are my everything. That prayer we say, feel in your heart. Don't just say from the mouth. Ved saying, Gita is saying, everywhere Ramayana. More sab hi ek tum swami, deen bandhu ur antaryami. When Bhagwan Sri Ram was banished to the forest for 14 years, Bhagwan said to Lakshman, I am being banished for 14 years. Our parents are very old, our mummy, daddy. And the subjects, you stay here and take care of our parents, the subjects. Lakshman said, hey, who mother and father you're talking about? You are my mother, you are my father. And front of Dashrath is right there. Ram should have given Lakshman one slap. Our father is there and you calling me daddy? He's calling his brother daddy. Mata, pita, tu hi bhrata. In the Valmiki Ramayana. Here, more sabahi ek. You are my everything. You are my mummy, you are my daddy, you are my everything. Ram couldn't say anything. Ram said, Acha, chalo. Lakshman said, I'm going to, chalo. Because Lakshman knew, I'm the soul, the Atma. You are my everything. You are in my heart. Friend of the Humble. I'm your humble servant. You're my everything. Chalo, Lakshman. So, yes, the Vedas are saying, everywhere is saying, how much have we accepted? Bhagwan is not forgotten. We have forgotten Bhagwan. We have turned our backs away from him. So what do we have to do? Baharmukya. So what we have to do? Sanmukhta. We have to do right about, turn left about, and to surrender to him. Realize that he alone is my everything. The moment we realize that, we will attain everything. That's all we have to do. Yahi karna hai. Bas. Oh, nothing else. That's it. I'll finish here tonight. We'll go on to more tomorrow night. Bol Ladli Lal ki, Siyavar Ramchandra ki, Srimad Sadguru Sarkar ki, Pavan Sut Hanuman ki, Pyari Pyari Amma ki, Shri Yugal Kunj ki, Jai Jai Shri Radhe, Jai Jai Shri Radhe, Jai Jai Shri Radhe.
We also have on the Memorial Day weekend, Saturday, Sunday, and half of Monday we have satsang. So there is flyer at the front desk. Please do find out more. Please come forward, take Aarti and Ashman and some prasad from Swamiji. There will be some dinner prasad in the dining hall as well. If you have any questions, if you want to speak to Swamiji, you can introduce yourself outside to him, and then if you want to, you can set up time with him to meet as well. Thank you, Radha.